Today I'm diving into Article 34 of the Treaty on the Functioning of the European Union, commonly known as TFEU. If you're a law student, understanding this article is absolutely crucial, so let's get started. Article 34 TFEU prohibits quantitative restrictions on imports and all measures having equivalent effect between member states. In simpler terms, it's all about ensuring the free movement of goods within the EU. But what does this look like in practice? Let's break it down with some landmark cases. First up, we have the Dassenville case. This 1974 case involved Belgian law requiring a certificate of origin for Scotch whisky. The Court of Justice concluded that any trading rule capable of hindering directly or indirectly, actually or potentially, intra-community trade is considered a measure equivalent to a quantitative restriction. Pretty broad, right? Next, let's talk about Cassis de Dijon. This 1979 case dealt with German regulations on alcoholic beverages. Germany had regulations that required certain minimum alcohol content for fruit liqueurs, which Cassis de Dijon, a French blackcurrant liqueur, did not meet. The court ruled that if a product is lawfully produced and marketed in one member state, it should, in principle, be allowed in all others. This gave rise to the principle of mutual recognition, which means that products legally sold in one EU country can be sold in any other, without needing to comply with different national regulations. This principle is crucial for the free movement of goods within the EU, as it reduces the barriers created by differing national standards. But don't forget Kek and Mithud. In 1993, the court distinguished between product rules and selling arrangements. Selling arrangements, like shop opening hours, are generally not caught by Article 34. The Kek case was significant because it clarified that not all national measures that affect trade are prohibited by Article 34. The court stated that selling arrangements would not be considered measures having equivalent effect to quantitative restrictions if they meet two conditions. They apply to all relevant traders operating within the national territory, and they affect in the same manner in law and in fact the marketing of domestic products and those from other member states. Understanding these cases helps clarify the scope of Article 34 TFEU. It's not just about removing barriers, but ensuring a seamless internal market where goods can flow freely. All right, that's a wrap for today. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into EU law. Until next time, keep studying and stay curious.